Everyone faces battles with illness, trauma, and stress at some point in their lives. But what if the power to heal was already inside you? Today, we're diving into 3 ways to self-healing, a guide designed to empower you to take control of your health and well-being. Recovery isn't just about treating symptoms. It's about tuning into the harmony between your mind and body, reshaping the attitudes and beliefs that frame your world, and transforming the lifestyle choices you make every day. Combining the strengths of Western medicine with the wisdom of alternative therapies and vital lifestyle changes, you can unlock your body's innate ability to heal. You know yourself better than anyone else, your needs, your pains, and your dreams. It's time to harness that knowledge and embark on a self-healing journey that doesn't just mend, it transforms. Stay tuned as we explore these 3 powerful self-healing strategies that can change the way you live and heal. Are you ready to reclaim your health? Let's begin. Modifying your lifestyle. Let's delve deeper into the first powerful method for self-healing, modifying your lifestyle. It's all about making intentional, health-promoting choices every day. Let's break it down into 5 fundamental steps. Number 1, eat well. Your journey to wellness begins on your plate. The food you consume plays a critical role in how your body functions and heals. Aim to fill your diet with green, leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, whole grains, and lean meats. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that support your body's complex systems. Focus on balanced, nutritious meals that provide a variety of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and fibers. Remember, what you eat isn't just food, it's fuel for your healing. Number 2, get enough sleep. Next, prioritize your sleep. Quality sleep is non-negotiable when it comes to self-healing. While you're awake, your body and mind are constantly at work, utilizing energy to maintain your daily functions. But when you sleep, that energy shifts towards healing and rejuvenation. Establish a routine that allows you to get at least 8 hours of restorative sleep each night. Think of it as resetting your system, essential for both mental clarity and physical health. Number 3, reduce stress. Stress is more than just a feeling, it's a physical reaction that can compromise your immune system and slow down your body's ability to heal. Whether it's due to illness, injury, or the daily pressures of life, reducing stress is essential. Start by identifying stress triggers. This could be certain activities, places, or even people that drain your energy. Look for practical ways to limit these stressors or find solutions to manage them, whether it's reassessing your work commitments or addressing conflicts in relationships. Number 4, exercise. Next, let's talk about exercise. Engaging in physical activities that you enjoy can be a powerful antidote to stress. Whether it's walking, running, swimming, practicing yoga, or joining a Tai Chi class, regular movement promotes overall well-being. Exercise isn't just about staying fit, it's about creating a balance, enhancing your mood, and supporting your body's natural repair processes. Number 5, take a break. Lastly, taking breaks is essential. Our daily routines can often lead to chronic stress, which wears us down over time. It's important to step back and give yourself a chance to recharge. Whether it's taking a vacation, exploring a new hobby, or simply relaxing at home, breaks are a critical part of managing stress and prioritizing your health. Thinking to promote healing. The next method in our self-healing journey is thinking to promote healing. Your mind is a powerful tool in your health arsenal. Let's explore 5 steps you can take to harness the power of your thoughts to enhance your healing. Number 1, get cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. First, consider cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. This therapy helps you address and reshape the thoughts and behaviors that negatively impact your well-being. By keeping a diary of your emotions and thoughts and discussing these with a therapist, you can identify and modify the negative thoughts that undermine your self-esteem or contribute to your stress. It's a proactive approach to mental wellness that can significantly bolster your healing journey. Number 2, practice self-hypnosis. Next, explore the benefits of self-hypnosis. Unlike direct instructions that your mind may resist, open suggestions can subtly influence your subconscious. Use affirmations that begin with undeniable truths followed by positive suggestions. This technique helps your mind accept beneficial ideas more readily, fostering a mindset conducive to healing. Number 3, meditate. Just as your body needs rest, your mind requires relaxation to function optimally. Regular meditation reduces stress, rebalances your brain's neurotransmitters, and promotes overall well-being. Dedicate a few minutes each day to this practice to enhance your body's natural regenerative processes. Number 4, be grateful. The fourth step is to cultivate gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to the abundance in your life. Celebrate the simple joys, a kind gesture from a stranger, meeting your daily needs, or enjoying a favorite activity. This positive outlook can significantly amplify your healing energy. Number 5, love yourself. Finally, the most crucial step, love yourself. Self-healing requires compassion and a genuine appreciation for your own worth. Embrace self-care as a joyful experience rather than a chore. Recognize that you deserve wellness and treat yourself with kindness and respect. By engaging these 5 powerful practices, you align your mindset with your body's healing efforts. Remember, the path to recovery isn't just about physical health. It's about nurturing your mind to support every step of your healing journey. Alternative healing methods. Let's delve into alternative healing methods. These approaches can complement your medical treatments and enhance your body's natural healing abilities. Here are 3 alternative methods to consider. Number 1, pray. First, let's talk about the power of prayer. Regardless of your religious or spiritual beliefs, prayer can tap into realms beyond our analytical mind, fostering a deep sense of trust and peace. It encourages the belief that healing is possible and provides comfort during uncertain times. Whether you pray alone or with others, making prayer a regular part of your life can significantly support your healing process. Number 2, get massage therapy. Next, consider massage therapy. Regular massages aren't just a luxury, they're a vital tool for reducing stress, alleviating pain, and loosening muscle tension. Trained therapists use specialized techniques that help improve circulation and relax your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Incorporate massage into your routine to experience its profound healing benefits. Number 3, biofeedback. Our third method is biofeedback. This technique uses electronic monitoring to teach you how your thoughts and emotions physically affect your body. By observing real-time data on your heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, muscle tension, and even brain activity, you can learn to control these responses consciously. Biofeedback is a powerful tool for managing symptoms and enhancing your body's resilience. These alternative healing methods offer powerful ways to enhance your body's ability to heal and maintain balance. By incorporating practices like prayer, massage, and biofeedback into your wellness regimen, you empower yourself to take an active role in your health journey. As we wrap up today's journey through 3 ways to self-healing, we hope you've discovered valuable strategies to empower your path to wellness. Remember, healing is a personal journey that encompasses the mind, body, and spirit. Whether it's modifying your lifestyle, harnessing the power of positive thinking, or exploring alternative healing methods, each step you take is a step towards a healthier, more fulfilled you. Thank you for joining us today at Key to Self. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos, where we continue to explore ways to unlock your potential for healing and happiness. Until next time, keep nurturing your health, cherish your mind, and believe in your ability to heal. Take care and be well.